The white butterfly and the rosemary plant. In a sunny garden, there is a beautiful white butterfly. The butterfly has soft wings that sparkle in the sunlight. Every day, she flies from flower to flower, looking for sweet nectar. One day, the butterfly sees a green plant with small blue flowers. It is a rosemary plant. The butterfly is curious. She flies down to the rosemary plant and lands gently on one of its leaves. "Hello," says the rosemary plant. "Welcome to my home." The butterfly is surprised. "You can talk," she says. "Yes," says the rosemary plant. "I can talk because I love to make friends." "What is your name?" "My name is Bella," says the butterfly. "I fly around the garden every day." "What is your name?" "I am Rosie," says the rosemary plant. "I grow in this garden. I smell good and help people in their cooking." Bella smiles. "You are special, Rosie. I like your smell." Rosie is happy. "Thank you, Bella. You have beautiful wings. You bring joy to the garden." They talk and laugh together. Bella shares stories about her flying adventures. Rosie tells Bella about the sun and the rain that help her grow. Days pass, and Bella visits Rosie every day. Bella dances in the air, and Rosie stands tall in the sun. They are good friends. One day, it starts to rain. Bella is worried. "Oh no. I cannot fly in the rain," she says. "Don't worry, Bella," Rosie says. "You can sit on my leaves until the rain stops." Bella smiles and rests on Rosie's leaves. They watch the raindrops fall together. After a while, the sun comes out again, and the garden glistens with water. "Thank you for being my friend, Rosie," says Bella. "You always help me." "You help me too, Bella," says Rosie. Friends help each other. From that day on, Bella and Rosie stay friends. The white butterfly and the rosemary plant bring happiness to the garden. Together, they enjoy the beauty of nature and the warmth of friendship.